Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a foundation review. I'm going to be reviewing the Rimmel Lasting Finish 25-Hour Breathable Long Wear Foundation, High Definition Finish, Medium Coverage, and it does have SPF 20 in it, and I'm in the shade 081 Fair Ivory. I found this at Rite Aid, and I know that Walgreens also had it. I saw it there, and it retails for about $7.99. Now, I think this is new to the Rimmel collection. I'm not completely positive on that, but I know I haven't seen this specific bottle. I don't know if maybe it was in a different packaging before and now it's in this one, but I saw it and I saw the price point and I wanted to pick it up because it says Lasting Finish 25-Hour Breathable. So I'm almost out of the foundation that I've been using, which is the Revlon Color Stay. So I saw this one and I saw the color. It was a perfect match for my skin, so I went ahead and picked it up. So this is what the bottle looks like. And when you open it, it's similar to like the Clinique foundation, the concealer foundation, where it's got like this big doe foot that you guys can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of just spread this on my face. I have used this a couple times or a few times before, so I'm used to the wear on it and how it lasts throughout the day. And I'm going to give you guys that information. I didn't want to do a first impression. I wanted to be able to actually talk to you guys about this foundation and really give you like my feedback on it. So I'm just, like I said, I'm just spreading it around on my face with the doe foot. And there is a lot of product that comes out on the doe foot, but it's not like a super heavy coverage foundation. It is a medium coverage, but I do feel like it is buildable. One of the days that I wore it, I did do one layer, and then once I blended it out, I went back and I added more, and it worked out really well. So just dotting this, well, not dotting, but like spreading this on my face all over. And I'm gonna blend it out with a beauty sponge from L'Oreal, the pink one, which is like my new favorite. Okay, so it looks totally crazy right now, but I'm just gonna blend it out with my beauty sponge. Now this says that it is a 25-hour wear foundation. I have not worn it for 25 hours, but I've worn it for a good probably 20 hours, a couple days. And I do agree with the claim that it is long wearing. It is great medium coverage. I feel like once you blend it out, it really looks like your skin, but it does have coverage to it, which is nice. It has kind of a floral scent, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but it does dissipate after a few minutes. But when you're first applying it, it is kind of a little bit strong of a kind of fresh florally scent. So if you're sensitive to scents, just be aware of that. Now I did say that you could build it up and make it into more long wearing. It looks really good that way. It looks really good with just a single layer. Today I'm just gonna do the single layer. And as you can see, it's blending out really nicely. It's looking really natural. I really like drugstore foundations. I've never really used high-end foundations unless it's in like a sample, or I've used a couple of like Urban Decay ones and a couple of Benefit ones. And when I first got into makeup, I started using like the Tarte BB cream. But overall, I prefer drugstore foundations. And the fact that there's so many shades available in drugstore, it's really nice because I have super pale, super fair skin. And I was impressed with the selection of colors that they had available at my Rite Aid. So as you can see, it's all blended out. I'm going to zoom you guys in just a little bit. So as you can see, it's all blended into my skin. It looks very natural. It looks flawless. It looks really pretty, and I really, really like it. And I did not put a primer on underneath. I have tried it with a primer. It worked absolutely fine, but I've kind of been like on a no primer kick lately. I just kind of feel like adding less to my face, you know? So this is what it looks like, and I'm really impressed with it. Again, like I said, it retails for about $7.99. It comes in a variety of shades. I found it at Rite Aid and Walgreens. I'm sure CVS and Walmart and all those other stores carry it too. But I don't know, I really like it, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face makeup so you can see how it looks all together. But yeah, this is the foundation. I really, really like it. If you guys have tried it, go ahead and let me know down below and tell me your thoughts on it, or if you've seen it before, if you're considering picking it up but you haven't seen any reviews, because I know I haven't seen any reviews on it myself. So let me go and get the rest of my makeup so that we can do our makeup together. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and set my foundation, and I'm using the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder underneath my eyes. Well, actually, you know what, I'm gonna go in with concealer first. Let me go ahead and find my concealer. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm using the All Hours concealer from YSL, and this is in shade 1. I received this in an Influenster box a couple of months ago, and I really like it. It's very lightweight, nice coverage to it. And I'm just going to apply it kind of in downward triangles underneath my eyes and blending it out with my makeup sponge. For the foundation, I do want to mention that I don't notice that it breaks down throughout the day a whole ton. If it breaks down, I feel like it breaks down evenly, and that you don't get a lot of like oil spots like around your nose, which I know can be a struggle. I know I struggle with that, but I feel like it breaks down nicely and evenly. But even then, that it doesn't really break down as a heavier foundation would, because it is more lightweight and it is a lighter coverage. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Coty Airspun, just setting my under eye. And then I'm gonna go in with my Rimmel Stay Matte in Translucent for the rest of my face. Once I have those in place, I'm just going to go ahead and press these powders into my skin with my beauty sponge. Okay, so now that my face is set, I'm going to go ahead and do my contour, bronzer, and blush. For my bronzer, I'm using the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil with the Luxie 504 large angled brush. For my contour, I'm going to go in with the Chocolate Soleil from Too Faced and just the blush brush from e.l.f. Now for blush, I'm going to go in using the Luxie 514 blush brush, and I'm going to be using Tarte Party. And I'm just going to apply this lightly. And for my highlighter, I'm going to go in with the Luxie 522 tapered highlighter brush, and I'm going to be using the Merry Luminizer that I received in my Ipsy bag for the month of January. I'm going to go ahead and link that video down below. Now I'm going to go in for my brows. I'm going to use just a spoolie brush just to brush them up. And then I'm going to use a small angled brush and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in chocolate to fill them in. I'm going to go in with my Milani iTech Extreme liner just to do my liner. Now when I do my liner, I like to do both sides to try and make it as symmetrical as possible. And then I will make the triangle downward. Once that's in place, then I'll start in the inner corner and draw it back out. And then going in with an even darker liner, I'm using the NYX Epic Ink liner, and I'm just going to fill this in. Once I have my liner done, I'm going to go ahead and coat my lashes with mascara. I'm using this one from J. Manuel Beauty, and it is just in Noir. I'm going to add Maybelline The Colossal Volume Express on top of that and also on the bottom lashes. And this is the waterproof formula. And then to finish off the look, I'm going to go ahead and do my tight line and my waterline with Urban Decay's Waterline Eye Pencil in Legend. I'm just going to add a little bit more mascara to my top lashes. Brush up my eyebrows one last time. And then the very last thing I'm going to do is just apply a little bit of lip balm. This is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I received it in my Ipsy bag. And that is my completed look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial slash foundation review. I really do like this foundation. I feel like I can recommend it because I have used it quite a few times. The wear time is incredible. The way that it applies is incredible. I really like it. It's definitely becoming one of my very favorite drugstore foundations that I've ever used. It's just amazing, and that's why I wanted to be able to do a review of it rather than just a first impression, because now I feel like I can actually recommend it. So if you see this in store, I definitely suggest you go ahead and pick it up. Let me know what you guys think about it. Let me know what you guys think about this look altogether, and please leave me a comment down below telling me what kind of videos that you would like to see, and I would love to film them for you. I want to film content that, you know, is relevant to you guys, things that you want to see. So please leave me a comment down below. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you next time.
Oh, bye, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back, she said shut up and dance with me.